Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, una see the film when Yul Edochie, papa and Judy Austin act. That movie, it don't reach 2 million views now. As the film they reach 2 million views, a lot of collaboration dey. And the figure of grandpapa na it make those views still dey come. If to say na only Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, I can tell you for free, say that movie for never even reach 500,000 views. But because of the collaboration with other people and Pete Edochie, that movie don't reach 2 million views. As the film reach 2 million views, kasala don burst now because of that movie. That film now don't cause wahala between Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. Gbasgbos don dey go on for 2 million views for the movie when Yul Edochie, Pete Edochie and Judy Austin act. Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, the moment the movie don reach 1 million views, don dey pass 1 million, they go 2 million. That means money don dey come. The first thing Judy Austin don dey plan on what to do with that money. You see the reason why it is good to marry a responsible woman. Debt full Yul Edochie head. Then they pursue this man, they go. If not be Pete Edochie influence, therefore don't I not just want Pumato. The place where Yul Edochie for day by this time, only God know. Now if papa influence, now he cover Yul Edochie. Now if papa, now he beg, say I beg, bikono, they go pay. When he be say, we see they see Yul Edochie 32 teeth. This woman not think say this man get problem. This man is in debt. She do already calculate what she want to do with the money. While she is busy calculating what she want to do with the money, Yul Edochie is busy transferring the money to his own account. My people, I don't feel understand wetin dey make me dey laugh. I go still explain give una. Do you know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because this is exactly what they did to me Edochie. Me Edochie dey work. Yul Edochie not even join me Edochie no. At least Judy Austin still show face for the movie. Me Edochie was working all alone. Working hard. Yul Edochie dey busy. They carry me Edochie money. They transfer and they give Judy Austin and her family. Now the table. This table fast oh. Hey God, have mercy on me oh. God have mercy on me. Because the way karma they deal with Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, you need to be scared of doing evil to people. Like I don't want to do evil to anybody because karma is real. Karma is real. By the time you listen to this story, you will not say karma is real. Now, that money for that movie, when they won't make for that movie, there is a particular account when that money supposed to go. Yul Edochie don't divide that money to another account. Judy Austin no. Judy Austin no know say Yul Edochie don't divide, don't remove am, go put for another place. Judy Austin na that one don already calculate wetin he wan use money to do. Now Judy Austin went into that account. As she go enter the account, you see say that account, the money no dey there again. They don't divide the money. Now she come call Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie, it be like say they don't hack the account. Oh. She no know wetin dey happen. She dey try check money of their movie for the account. She no dey see am. Now Yul Edochie say he don't divide the money. Say he don't carry the money come off for that account. Now Judy Austin come dey para. Come say why Yul Edochie go remove money come off for account without he not tell am. Now Yul Edochie say tell you as how. Why will he tell you? Now Judy Austin say she get right to know. She is the producer. Now Yul Edochie ask am say wetin you produce. Hey, like producer as how? What did you produce? Wetin dey direct you, dey tell you what to do for the same movie. Now you say now you what did you produce? Like tell him, like tell am wetin you produce for them. Now Yul Edochie tell am say by the time he reach the due date, he go give you wetin he wan give you. So you no fit come here come dey talk about this movie, the money and anything. Anything wey come up for this movie is merit to his father. Na him papa na him make this view dey come. Because if to say na only you with am, this view no go pass 500,000. You definitely know that people don't like you, they don't like him. E no even better pass your own, because your own na worst pass. You see, you dey hear una hear wetin Yul Edochie dey talk. Na so Judy Austin come start to dey para. Come dey tell Yul Edochie say this is not right. What is Yul Edochie saying? That means all the work where she work. Now Yul Edochie say, no, they talk that word. You no work anything. And remember, when the papa act this movie, the papa refunded that money to them. Now when movie don dey go, they no go pay the papa. Abi papa can't work for free. They need to pay the old man. Because one, the man no want me to post this movie before. He wanted this movie to be cancelled. Now he do stubborn head say he must post am. The movie just dey there. No be say the movie, they don't do movie. The papa they talk say make them not post am. He say now he use his stubborn head to post am. So as they post am, the papa now bring the view. So they need to pay his father half of that money for that movie. Before then they go share the rest. Because now papa now he make that movie. They say now Judy Austin say that one a lie. Your papa no fit take half of the money. The money where they tell am say they won't pay am before, now they go still pay am. Now Yul Edochie tell Judy Austin say, Judy Austin, you know where? You won't use papa to compare your papa. You won't use the father to compare your papa. What do you take his father for? Do you think his father is like your father? When he find one feed down, put food for a table. Who told you his father is begging? Now he say papa made it half of the money. His face alone, that movie, now he represent that movie. So Yul Edochie say, if papa go take half, the remaining one, they go share am. And definitely he go take his own. Because the movie was all from him. Judy Austin not do anything. Now Yul Edochie tell us, say, you sabi produce, you sabi direct. How many people movie you don't direct? Since when you call yourself producer, how many people movie you don't direct? My people, don't be smart, you know. Lizzie Go say money don't cost wahala. Lizzie Go say Judy Austin and Yul Edochie now. He say correct gbas because of 2 million view money. Lizzie Go say no be small gbas they go on now. He say Yul Edochie don't kolobi money enter into different accounts. Judy Austin, she don't even have access to that money. And the contract of the film, waiting Yul Edochie write is different from waiting Judy Austin see. Because during when Yul Edochie and Judy Austin they quarrel, now Judy Austin can say this is not the contract of the film. Yul Edochie don already go change contract of that film. Right waiting go favor am and waiting go cancel Judy Austin. Exactly what they planned for me Edochie. Now the same thing, not the same Yul Edochie when they do Judy Austin. They say Judy Austin don't they cry, eyes don't they red. Say she can't even have access to how much is coming, how much is not coming, what is going on about the account. Judy Austin don't have idea. She don't have idea. Yul Edochie tell her say that should not be a priority now. The movie they don't ask her, make she sit down for us. If money come, she ain't go give Judy Austin money. Judy Austin should not be running after the money. That should not be what she should be thinking about. Make she relax. Anything, any money where she when he say, he will give Judy Austin. So right now, they don't call Judy Austin come up for the money of this YouTube. Judy Austin and Yul Edochie behind camera now, they para. Two of them, they para, no be small. Lizzie Go say her eyes don't open. No. He say anytime when he sign contract with Yul Edochie, say go make sure say that contract, he go control am first. He say if you see as this man take tear contract when Judy Austin sign, he can't go bring another contract, and Judy Austin still sign that contract without knowing say Yul Edochie don't change am. Everything, all the royalty for that movie now belongs to Yul Edochie. And Yul Edochie say half is for the father. Judy Austin is just an ordinary actress for the contract when Yul Edochie go do. Judy Austin have no voice in that contract. Lizzie Gold say if you see as Yul Edochie dey live now, he say Yul Edochie leg no dey touch ground again o. Since when Yul Edochie get 2 million view for that movie, Yul Edochie leg e no dey touch ground again. Say Yul Edochie don dey think high things, and all the thinking and planning of Yul Edochie, Judy Austin is not even involved in it. Yul Edochie no even dey call Judy Austin for all the plan when he dey plan now. If just be like say Judy Austin no dey exist, he just cut that place comot. He say now he constantly tell Yul Edochie say this time around now go pay your pikin school fees o. That pikin dey house, go pay the pikin school fees. He say Yul Edochie say make the first throw away that one, say he get other problem. That means the money don't come now. Not even Judy Austin children are being calculated into this money. Is it not what she did to me, Edochie? Hey, mind the kind things where you dey support, they no go hear. This same woman was supporting Yul Edochie when Yul Edochie they cut off me Edochie children. They cut off all the expenses, remove himself totally, come off for those children and me Edochie body. Leave them, make them face their life. Judy Austin was praising him, was shouting, you are the best man. Definitely, she know that this man is not paying his children's school fees. He's not taking care of his children. But she was shouting that Yul Edochie is the best man. See, and I don't reach her tunnel. They say, may Yul Edochie go pay Star school fees now. He say, may the first throw away that one for corner. Say, no be that one I carry her now. You dey see, Judy Austin now, I don't call Judy Austin come up for the money. You see, what money cannot do does not exist. What money cannot do does not exist. You Judy Austin wey dey there, that one dey para. Just they make man, they make noise. Yul Edochie not even send am. This man now, don't they think of different women when he go carry. Different women wey go waste money on. Lizzie Gold say, wetin Destiny Etiko tell am, say don't believe now. Lizzie Gold say all those things wey Destiny Etiko tell am, say Yul Edochie do to me Edochie, say her eyes don't see her now. He said you need to see this man. You know, even put Judy Austin join one thing. He said Judy Austin, she is not going to eat from this money. Because Yul Edochie, he said Yul Edochie tell Judy Austin to her face, say, wait till you act. Go look yourself for that movie. Now some people, they act movie. Upon us say, now they push you. Did you even act better thing there? So the matter tough, oh. The matter tough. Now, they say Yul Edochie not even send the Judy Austin. And Judy Austin, that one day there, they cry. They cry for money. For movie. Only one movie where they don't do this, where they do movie. When he reach 2 million view. See, casala of money don't bust out. This is a man that me Edochie managed for years with money. Only 2 million views money now. Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, they don't they use head. They hit each other. Karma is real. The same thing when they do me Edochie. It don't they happen to two of them. Yul Edochie don't divert money. Don't carry and go another place. The way they divert me Edochie money, they give Judy Austin chop. Now Judy Austin sweat now. Yul Edochie wants to carry and go give another woman make a chop. It is called karma. Judy Austin, it is called karma. Just close your mouth, jejeje, and reap what you sow. Because this is what Judy Austin sow. And she must definitely reap it. There is no escape. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.